we're going to look at graphing linear inequalities. Step one, write the inequality, slope-intercept form, solve it for y. Use the slope and y-intercept to plot the 2 points. Draw the line. We have the y-intercept and the slope. We can go ahead and graph it that way. Draw the line. Use a solid line. For less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, use a dashed line when it's strictly less than or greater than. What this tells us that in doing this, it's telling us whether or not we include the line as part of the solution set or not. You see the equal signs there, it'll be a solid line. So you know that those points on the line will be part of the solution set. If you don't have the equality underneath it, it's not going to be part of the solution set. So you pick a point. So for here, you pick a point above the line or below the line. And you check to see if it gives you a true statement. If it's true, then shade that region that contains that point. Shade that side. If it gives you a false statement, then you shade the other side. That's all there is to it. Take a look at an example here. So looking at this here, equation of each line, see what the slope is, the y-intercept is, we get an equation. In this case, is y is equal to plus 3. In this case here, what we're seeing is that in one case, that line represents this line of solutions. Okay. And on the right, we see the line of solutions, and we see all the lines above that. And it tells us that all those points are part of the solution set as well. Here we have y, 3, and we pick a point. Pick a point, -4, x -4, and up 5. X is -4, we come over -4. 5. 5, so you can plug it in here and you can see it. 4 and y is 5. And it gives me, what happens here? It's a false statement. This is incorrect 5 times. 5 is greater than or equal to -1. Solid line was used, and it would be this here. 5 is greater than or equal to -1. The dashed line is to be here. Area above is shaded. Here, right there. We're dealing with inequalities, so f5 is greater than or equal to -1. Over here, -4, and go up 5 units. Here in the shaded region. Area above gets shaded. Inequalities with less than. We have a point here. 1 over -3. But next is 1 down -3. Should be shaded. Also see that there I took the point and just put it in here. X is 1, go down 3. It's in the shaded region. Part of the solution set according to the graph. Do it algebraically. You plug in. It's not equal to 3. Qualities here. 3 is less than 3, or negative 3 is not equal to 3. So for it to be true, just one part of it has to be true. Part of it's true. Area below the line is shaded. There. Depending on what you have here, if it's a solid line, it will look like this. 3 is less than or equal to 3. Dash line is used. It will look like this here. It tells us how to treat the line of solutions. And that is the end of this presentation.